In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a child theme of a theme. For example, we are currently using a DIVI theme. So we're going to install a DIVI child theme on this WordPress website. So first, you need to log into your dashboard, WP admin dashboard, and then navigate to themes, appearance, and then themes. And then once you're in this page, click on the add new button, and then click on upload theme. And then you're going to be uh, prompted with this uploader. So you have to choose the file you want to upload, which is your child theme file. Uh, Usually it's in a zip file, and then click on the file and then click on install now. So we're using a DV child theme here. So first things first, you need to have a DV theme installed on your website, or it's not going to work when you're uh, uploading this child theme. After that upload has been done on the child theme, you need to activate it. So once you've activated, that's it. Your child theme has been installed on your website.